All right, live. Leaders, welcome one, welcome all. It's great to go live with you tonight. So, first off, want to say my apologies. I meant to do this 2 nights ago, but life happened and some things popped up, unfortunately, and I had to reschedule tonight. But here we are. Here I am. I'm here for you, talking about how we can level up your leadership in 2022. That's right. It's all about leveling up your leadership tonight. So, if you are checking out this video, whether you're live or you're watching a replay sometime, you know what? Just drop me a line. Say where you're checking it in from. It's actually one of the first things I do with all my guests at the podcast is, to make sure I know where they're calling in from or, well, video chatting in from, because I enjoy having an idea where you're from. So, feel free to drop me a line and write in the comments here where you're coming in from as you watch this video. It'd be amazing to see all the different places because this group, we're worldwide. It's insane. We have people from all over the world here in this group. So it'd be really cool to get a, understand where you're from. So again, if you're watching it live, if you're watching it replay, drop a, little note, a comment, say, hey, where are you watching from? Okay. All right. So let's talk a bit about leveling up your leadership. And, I would say a good solid 85, maybe 90% of you fill out the questions as you request to enter the group. And the reason why I do that is because I want to make sure I'm getting the right content for you. Make sure that I am bringing you what you're looking for at the appropriate level. And that's another question. And over time, I've noticed, a common thread amongst the community here. And tonight, my goal is to inform you. We're going to fix these common threads, these pain points per se, that are common throughout everyone here. Now, if you've been following me, you've been following this group, you've been following the podcast, my ecosystem for a while now, you've heard me kind of mention it, but I'm telling you, this is it. We are going hard launch on this tonight, and that is the Leader Growth Mastermind brought from myself to you. And this is how we are going to level up your leadership this year. All right? The Leader Growth Mastermind. So, for all you leaders out there, Colin Powell said, the top is the loneliest place. And it's so true. And that's been my goal, I guess, from the moment I created this group, is to enable a community where you don't have to be lonely, right? We don't have to be lonely as leaders. We can feel empowered. We can feel part of a community. We can feel like we belong. And we are going to level that experience up even more with the Leader Growth Mastermind. So, for other leaders out there, for you who are feeling like, you don't necessarily feel like a leader, you feel like a fraud, you feel like you don't know what you're doing, you're kind of winging it, you're just flying by the seat of your pants and hoping that the results you're getting are the right results and that you're doing things right. Maybe you're in a hierarchical organization and you have all these questions. You want to get some direction. You want to get, some feedback or some advice, but your supervisor is nowhere to be found. Maybe you don't know how to prioritize, or maybe your priorities aren't given. You just can't quite figure out, okay, my boss hasn't told me what my priorities are. I have my team, and you know what? I can't necessarily figure it out what my priorities should be. These are common issues, folks. These are common things that all of us as leaders, even myself on a day-to-day basis, we fight with. And it's that first bit that just really takes the wind out of our sails. It's that loneliness aspect of not feeling connected with other leaders, not feeling connected with other like-minded people. And I too was on a bit of a journey like that, a different type of journey, a similar journey, but a different one where I felt alone. And you know what really got me going was finding a community where I would get together with other like-minded individuals and we would discuss the problems that, we were going through. And we would each bounce ideas off each other and say, hey, I was in a similar situation and I tried this and this worked for me. Maybe you can, do it with the context you have. And another person would do the exact same thing, but, for another situation. And the group of us, about 8 of us, would bounce this around for an hour and you would leave feeling invigorated, empowered, and ready to take anything on. And guess what? That is what I want to bring to you all here now. That is why we are launching the Leader Growth Mastermind. There have been a number of you reach out to me directly saying, this is great, I enjoy this group, but I want more. And that's what we're bringing to you. So the Leader Growth Mastermind is going to be launching in March. And we are going to be focusing predominantly, going to be a small group go through first. And we're going to go through an 8 weeks program that will focus in on the 3 dimensions of leadership as we discussed. And we're going to get together on a weekly basis and we're going to go through some content and we're going to discuss things and we're going to bring solutions, bring problems, bring more solutions to the table for all of us so that we can grow. And that's what it's all about. Okay. This is about becoming the best leader you can possibly be. We're going to have mentorship in there. We're going to enable more professional networking than what we enable in here. We're going to have dynamic and interactive discussion between us all. This mastermind is all about helping you level up to the next level in your leadership journey. Now you're probably thinking, okay, Scott, I'm a brand new leader. This sounds great, but it sounds like it's for people who are more advanced. Or maybe you're a seasoned leader and you're thinking, oh, this sounds like it's going to be for people who are basic. No, this is going to be done in a way that it doesn't matter where you are on your journey. Everyone's going to have the ability to help each other and learn and grow from the experience. It doesn't matter, right? Leadership isn't necessarily a blocking, stepping stone thing that has a nice, perfect linear progression upwards, but rather leadership is all about different pieces that come together so that you can enable your team and you can achieve great results. That is what we're going after. Now, if you're wondering, and you're thinking, you're like, it sounds like I got to come and maybe throw my boss under the bus or talk about, very sensitive things. This is going to be a safe place for you. And the first thing I would suggest out of the gate is that there will be absolutely no judgment. There's going to be no judgment here. This will be a judgment-free space so that everyone can come and talk about anything that is on their mind, right? Because judgment is the first thing that's really going to basically destroy, any form of ability for you to open up, right? Tim Clark's 4 stages of psychological safety. Stage 1, so, belonger safety. If you feel like you're being judged, we're not going to achieve belonger safety, therefore you're not going to come. Okay? So we're going to make sure it's a judgment-free place. There's nothing that's going to come out of the group. What goes into the group will stay in the group. We're going to have a private community, so it's going to be outside of this group here. We're going to have one just for the Leader Growth Mastermind. We're going to be focused. Whereas right now, everyone, it's whatever posts anyone wants to put up. I throw up questions. We're going to be focused. We do have a curriculum we're going to hit at for the first 8 weeks. And we're going to focus in on that for the first 8 weeks. And we'll go from there. We'll adjust as we need to based off of your needs and your feedback. We're going to have both group and personal accountability. So you're going to set some goals, and we're going to have accountability partners to make sure we go after those goals so that we go and drive after them, so that we level up. Okay? So if you're growth minded, you're driven with purpose, you want to be, that leader that you can be, but you need just a little bit of help, guidance, a little push. Okay? This is going to be for you. This is going to be for you if you believe in humility and empathy and optimism, abundance. Okay? If you value diversity, you're willing to accept responsibility for what falls on you. Okay? You're ready to participate. And then if you believe the journey as a leader is never ending, then this group is going to be for you 100%. If you think, getting the plaque that says CEO written on it is the best thing ever with the parking spot, if you want to surround yourself with people who are just yes people who want to tell you exactly what you want to hear, if you think success as a leader comes like that, or if you're not ready to share your ideas, questions, challenge your beliefs, etc., and if you think you're an expert and you got nothing left to learn, well, I'll tell you that this group is definitely not going to be for you. Okay? We're all about growth. We're all about learning. We're going to be all about becoming the best leader possible. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. 2022. I'm going to ask you, how do you want to end this year? Did you end 2021 how you wanted to end it? Or are you ready to take action? Okay? The definition of insanity is doing the same things over and over again and expecting different results. We need to change things. We need to take action. And that's what I'm offering here for you today. So how does this work? I'll drop the link in the comments section or in the description. But if you go to movingforwardleadership.com/mastermind, you're going to be taken to the landing page for the mastermind, for the group. And you're going to be able to apply. Now, you'll go through a Google form there that's embedded into the website, and you just fill out a handful of questions. And that is it. No, it's not it per se. What's going to happen on the back end is that we're going to go through and, make sure you're a good fit based off your answers, right? Because this is going to be a very select group, first off. It's for people who really, truly want to commit and drive and move forward with their journey. And most importantly, take action. So once we go through the form and there's space, because space will be extremely limited, I want to make sure this experience is the best experience possible for you. And bringing in way too many people is going to ruin that space. You hear me say it all the time on the podcast. Quality, not quantity. So if you're interested, your best bet is to go ahead and fill out the form ASAP so you're first in line, because we go through the applicants one after the other. Okay? And seeing. Then we'll reach out and we'll let you know what the next steps are, etc. Now you're probably wondering, okay, sounds great, Scott. Sounds amazing. But we know there's a catch. Right? There's no catches per se. I'm a transparent guy. I will tell you what you want to know. Is there going to be a cost to this? Yes, absolutely there's going to be a cost to this, but it's going to be marginal. Okay? It's $29 a month USD, because we're international. USD. $29 USD a month. Okay? And the way this is going to work is that for the first 8 weeks, Okay, so basically 2 months, we're going to have a very limited group of people come through. And then from there, we're going to open up the doors a little bit more, allow a few more people to come through, and then we will see how many people we're going to hold within the group. Right now, I'm thinking only 15 to 20 at most. And there's 5,000 people in this. 5,000 people in the group here. And I'm doing this video, this advertising first here. Of course, this will go outside of the group. So you're talking about thousands, even more, that will be aware of the mastermind. So your best bet is to, if you're any interest whatsoever in it, go out, fill the form. You can always say no when I reach out to you via email and say, hey, you can feel free to come in. So again, movingforwardleadership.com/mastermind. Apply now, fill out the form, and then I look forward to seeing you on the other side. All right. That is how we're going to level up in 2022, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for that? Are you ready to increase your leadership skills? Are you ready to become that leader that you know you can be, that you want to be? The time is now. The time is now. And I'll be there with you, side by side. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's it for this video. We'll see you next time. Remember, as always, lead, don't boss. Thanks.